My son microwaved his popcorn because he thought it was the microwaveable popcorn, and he said it started electrocuting and he ran. Honest, why did you microwave that popcorn?
I don't know.
What happened?
When I walked in, without eating my things on right here, then that was crunchy, so I had to spit them out.
So why you put it in the microwave?
I don't know.
What was the microwave supposed to do? Make them uncrunchy?
No. I'll get back to stop them, but I don't know.
What happened when you tried to stop it?
I didn't stop it, but it was still electrocuting.
Electrocuting.
Yeah, I stopped it when when the thing was electrocuting. I did that right there.
Don't warm up that. That's not microwavable popcorn.